To do the drone locator, model locator, there's a little button here on the screen. Look at, boom. And we go down to tools. We go down to model locator, see? And the antennas technically should have to poke, but this antenna here points straight towards something, and this antenna here kind of goes around. Look at that, boom, 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 boom. 4K, oh. So as we get closer, see what it does. Put it over here. Which way? Look at this. Look, going through here, that was incredible right now. Oh no. Oh, I made it through the building, but oh, it's in that tree over there. Okay. Oh! Look at this thing. Oh, look at these stairs. Glass. We are at an incredible building. Let's hit the stairs. Woo! Do a little bit of a power loop into this. And like when you're walking, it looks huge. When you're flying it, it's sketch. This is glass. So we're just gonna, oh my gosh, look at these chairs over here. This looks comfortable. So what's the model locator doing now? Oof, I'll probably just have it on the screen. There you go. So I just cleared that edge right there. Came down here. It should be beeping.